Bitcoin was moving exactly as I had yesterday predicted. We got here the drop to the downside and a bounce immediately back to the upside. And because of this, is my Bitcoin trade that I opened here at $45,740 obviously right now absolutely exploding. And guys, if you also want to trade on Bybit, don't forget you still get $4,600 in free bonuses if you use here my specific link in the description of the video. And now let's get here in today's content. So as you have seen here yesterday, when I actually called this move here to the downside that I was expecting this, we have shortly seen that this actually came true. So and then we went here all the way down to $45,000 and 45,040 approximately is where we dropped to. Then the Bitcoin price turned around, went to the upside, and has then broken out of this upwards trending support line and the converging downwards trending resistance line. So they converged and created an apex. So and the Bitcoin price broke out of it here on the 12-hourly chart to the upside. So now the obvious question is, where will the Bitcoin price hit next? Which targets can we looking out for? And that is exactly what I want to talk about today. So first of all, we have to understand that we have a major resistance level above us. So, and that is here the red line, the $47,336 level. So, and here we can also see a couple days back that when we tried to test this, that we got a heavy rejection to the downside from this. So, and now let me show you why that is such a strong resistance. So first of all, we can see that here on the VPVR, on the 1-hourly chart, that also the longest volume bar here in this region is around this level here from 47,336 approximately all the way up to $47,616. So, and the point of control is exactly at $47,467, and that is the exact point where we got here the last time so heavily rejected to the downside. So you see there's a lot of confluence around this specific level why we got such a strong rejection from here to the downside. So that is obviously also due to the fact that when we got here this big pump here to the upside at the end of March, that the Bitcoin price was gravitating around this area and was not able to establish support above this level, and from for that reason got here this bigger move to the downside. So but now here, based on the 1-hourly chart, we can clearly see that Bitcoin is forming here right now a symmetrical triangle or even a bull flag. So I would actually treat this more as a bull flag. So for this, let's get rid of this. So if we treat this as a bull flag, approximately like this, so then we can see that the technical target for this bull flag should be around the $48,064 level if we see here a break to the upside. So and obviously guys, if you have missed yesterday's trade opportunity that I had called here to the dollar perfectly, that was textbook, then you can obviously trade this new pattern here. So just remember guys that if you want to trade this, you should make sure that when we get a breakout out of this bull flag formation, that we close at least the 1-hourly candle above, and in the best case scenario also retested it again with a bounce back to the upside. So that would be the ideal moment to enter this trade and to trade this all the way up to $48,000. So and if we would break it to the downside, then you can obviously also short this. So the downside target would be here $45,293. But honestly, because this is a bullish bias pattern and the chances are much likelier of a bullish bias pattern that will break it to the upside, I'm leaning here obviously more to the upside, that we are breaking here to the upside, because 7 out of 10 times this pattern is breaking out to the upside, and 3 out of 10 times we are breaking to the downside. So, and yeah, because it's a bullish bias pattern, we should normally see here a breakout to the upside. So, and this will be also really soon. So we are talking here about just a couple of hours. So this will be in, so what we have now, in the next 3 to 4 hours, we should see a breakout here out of this pattern, either, like I said, to the upside or to the downside. So, but we have obviously also, if we look a little bit more short-term to mid-term, we have much higher targets for us in the Bitcoin price. So, in these targets coming here from this massive W pattern that we were forming here, with here the red line being the neckline, which is again the $7,336 level. So, and again, we see why this is such a crucial level to break. Sorry, it's not the neckline. But it's the resistance line right now, stopping us from getting into higher levels and completing the technical target that we have in front of us for this bigger W pattern. So I have to correct myself. There's obviously, guys. So, and if you can recall, when we measure this here, then we can see that the technical target. Oh, sorry, I have to make it a little bit lower. So this should be accurate. Yes, so that makes it here. So yeah, you see here $58,000 is that target. So but for reaching this target, we have to first break above here now the red resistance line. And I can tell you guys, once we are above this level and we have established support there, we will see a moonshot for the Bitcoin price here, in my opinion, straight through $50,000. And hopefully we'll find support there or consolidate around the $50,000 level, move above this and complete our technical target here in direction of $60,000. So also if I pull here the Fibonacci extension level, so then we can also see here, sorry guys, here, and I have to a little bit more over here. Then also here the 1.618 and the 1.65 Fibonacci extension level is here really close to our technical target of this W pattern and gravitating around the $55,000 area. So, and where did we get yesterday? Perfectly supported on the 0.618, 0.65 at $44,000. When you look at this here, I cannot make this up. It exactly wicked into this golden pocket here and then came straight back up. So that is a big sign of bullishness right now in the Bitcoin price, as the bulls have defended this level here so successfully. And that obviously makes me a lot more bullish on the immediate short term for the Bitcoin price. So, and don't forget guys, you can still get here up to $4,620 in free bonuses if you're using my Bybit link here, this specific link. There you just sign up, create an account, deposit some money, start trading, and then you can claim your bonus. The same goes here also with Phemex, where you can trade a lot of altcoins actually. With leverage there also you get $4,100 in bonuses with this specific link here. So now let's have also a look on Ethereum. So and on Ethereum we can see something similar what we are seeing on Bitcoin right now. Also here we are forming this bull flag formation with hitting here the lower end of this bigger bull flag pattern that I was yesterday talking about. So and I had also yesterday mentioned that we most likely come down and will test this bottom here of this bull flag. And what I don't want to see is that we break through this. So, and that was actually not the case. We came perfectly down to the bottom of it and then got supported and got immediately pushed back to the upside here. So, and if we have a look now on the technical target for this specific bull flag formation here, so this brings the Ethereum price to $3,633. So, and here this bigger bull flag formation, that target brings us to $3,790. So we have here two bull flags basically converging into each other, you know. So we have here the first one at $3,633 that we can trade. So once we are breaking here above, let's say $3,540. So, and then the next one, $3,780 So, and we can, based on these targets here, take profit along the way. So the first one at $3,633 and then the next one at $3,790. So, and so that is the immediate outlook for Ethereum here. So, and we are getting really close to get a breakout as far as I can tell this. So, but we have also Also on Ethereum, we have here a massive W pattern that is directly in front of our eyes here. So, and if we measure that one, that is actually the most mind-blowing one. So there we can see that we have a target here of $4,551. So I'm actually waiting for Ethereum to finally break again above $4,000, so that we can then obviously move into direction of $5,000. So guys, and I have to remember you here once again that in my signals channel, in my paid signals group, we were absolutely killing it here in a month of March. So, and we expect something similar also for this month, or this month, obviously. So on spot, we were able to generate 768% in profits. That is unheard of, guys, just on spot. So, and only with 3x leverage, we are not over leveraging ourselves here. So with 3x leverage, it was 1,524% accumulated profits in my signals channel. If you want to be part of this signals channel, then go here into the pinned comment below or in the video description. There is the specific link that you can use to reach out directly to my staff, to my team, and they will hook you up with everything what you need to know, also with our track record, so that you can also start to make here insanely gains with the help of my paid signals group. Also, you can join here our free channel. There we are exchanging ideas, talking in general about crypto. From time to time, I'm also sharing here 1 or 2 signals. So that is also definitely a channel that you want to hang out with. Yeah, guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Yesterday, you were all of you guys, you were so amazing. You were killing it. Cannot believe that. So thank you so much for watching yesterday's episode. It was for this month already the best video ever. I hope we can achieve this also for this one. Don't forget that I have also the Bybit tutorial coming up here on the left side. If you haven't watched it, definitely check it out. It's jam-packed with everything what you need to know if you want to trade on Bybit. And other than that, don't forget to like this video. Let's get this to 500 likes and destroy the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel and also activate the notification bell. And I will see you again from beautiful Bangkok tomorrow.